What is up, guys? God bless you all. Hope all of you have been doing great. And this is not the video I was looking to do, but yeah, sadly I got into an accident and I crashed the V13. This is no Enclave Bay. Let me show you. All right, so I was actually driving. Some lady actually got into the main avenue, and I couldn't stop on time. And yeah, there is actually I hit the car on this bumper over here. So it is pretty bad. The fender got bent, as you guys can see. I'm sorry that my shot is on the video, but there is corner light is broken. It seems like the bumper support, it got bent. Everything got pushed in. Luckily my intercooler and radiator are good. The whole frame it seems like it got bent in. You guys can see this gap over here. I can actually pull my whole hand. The bumper got messed up. I mean, the hood got messed up. You guys can see the damage right there. Right here it got messed up. Here it got messed up. Right there it got actually cracked. Bumper support is actually bent. Bumper is hanging and it's actually touching my tire. It is pretty bad, but yeah, you guys can see how everything looks. Let me try to pop the hood real quick. Here we have the hood open. You guys can see how bad the whole radiator support got bent. I was looking as well. Obviously my fender got smashed in over here. You guys can see that better. Everything got pushed back. Like, thankfully my radiator is good, but it got actually pressed in against my intercooler pipe. You guys can see it right there. I have damage over here. You guys can see all these got bent, so I have to see how bad everything looks. But all this is bent right here. Bent, everything is bent. You guys can see there a little better. Yeah, right now I don't know what I'm gonna do. Health-wise, I'm okay. I'm pretty upset at the whole situation, so I'm okay. My chest just hurt a little bit, but it was from the pool, from wearing my seatbelt. But I was able to drop the car back. I mean, I have no leaks at all. But yeah, excuse me that right now I'm not prepared to make this video. I don't have the right words to use. But besides that, I mean, I'm okay, which is matters. The car to be replaced. This either could be a journey to rebuild the whole car or maybe get something else. I don't know what I'm gonna do. It's too early to basically make a decision, but I just want to let you know, guys, that I'm okay. And yeah, that's gonna be for this video. Thank you guys for watching. You guys have a nice day. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with a friend. Consider becoming a member, and I will see you in the next one. God bless you all. Stay safe and have a good one.